And we got some bad news. Check this out. The other day I was in here. Yo, this thing sounds good for a stock. And hopefully everything's gonna be fixable because it's not looking good over here. Noticed there's a freaking fat buckle over there. Yo. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. Let's do a cold start on this beast real quick. This thing looks really good. The pollen season got it messed up. Pollen everywhere. Check out the roof, all yellow. I just washed it yesterday. Let's head to the shop. It's about to be another great day. We're working on the BMW today, and there's some major issues I need to address. It's not looking too good. But let's get to the shop and let me show you what I'm talking about. Also, on the Mustang that I just fixed up, my steering wheel's taken apart, as you can see. Someone was already messing with it. Maybe they had an aftermarket steering wheel or something, and they messed up these wires. None of the buttons are working, so I had to get a new harness for the steering wheel. That's why the wheel is apart until the harness comes in. All right, pulled up to the shop. Let's go. All right, guys, so we made it, and these are some spare wheels I got because the ones that I ordered are still on back order. And we got some bad news. Check this out. The other day I was in here. Flooded. Got some water in here somehow, so I'm thinking it's evenly distributed on both sides, and both of these seals are cracked because these windows do come out a little bit like this. So I'm wondering if I just need to replace those seals. I got the back seat out for it to dry up all the way, but this one is also cracked right here. I'm wondering if water just seeps right in through there. And yeah, man, this is terrible. So I'm gonna dry it out, and then we got more suspension to install, and I got some more parts I want to show you guys. Check this out. We got a brand new door right here. I got off of Marketplace, off a used car, and it does have a little tiny ding somewhere. I can't see it right now. Oh, right here. You can barely see it. So that'll get fixed, but way better than fixing all this damage. Check it out. It went all the way in, and then this trim piece. So this door's getting replaced, and then I also got a fender right here off of Marketplace, off a used car, for that side, and then as well as this side skirt in perfect condition because check this one out. This thing is done for. Right now what I'm gonna do is finish taking off that suspension and try to get this thing on some wheels. We got some rollers right here while I wait for those wheels to come in. Here's a little comparison. Check this out. That's flat. That's insane. Our tie rod on here, over there inside where it connects to the rack and pinion, it's all secured. So right now what I'm gonna do, gotta get this 21 mil nut off, and then this entire assembly is going right in. Just disconnected it from the subframe, and check it out. All these bushings, they seem to be in good shape. No cracks or tears, which they're known for. So guys, if you haven't liked the video, please give it a like and press the hype button down below if you're on iPhone. Helps out the algorithm a lot. It's retarded on all E46s. They made a nut right there for the lower control arm all the way near the exhaust inside the subframe. Damn it. All right, moving right along. Here's the tie rod that we just put on. Slip right in the hole. Would you look at this? It's got a wheel on right now. It has been a while since I actually have seen it like this. So hopefully we have enough time. Let's try to knock out the other side before the sun goes down. If it gets too dark to record, I'll just show you guys what's going on in the morning. All right, guys, so it's the next day. We just pulled up to the shop. Let's get started and finish up the M3. It got dark on us, and
Yeah, we got an F80 M3 bumper today. I'll show the bumper.
yeah,
Looks pretty good.
we got the Fresca, baby. Let's go. Alrighty, broke that one loose. Yo, guys, she's on the ground. Ooh. All right, guys, so the E46 is on the ground, and check this out. This is not looking good at all. We must have some severe frame damage because all the suspension is all good. So yeah, this is not good at all. I can't even fit a finger. It's not looking too good for the frame. Hopefully we'll be able to get it done. All right, guys, since we got all the suspension on, we're about to pull it up and kind of see if this thing will roll. It's been a minute, so let's give this thing a, well, it's not a cold start anymore. It's warm outside. Oh, almost. Oh, shit. Oh, dude, this thing is So this thing finally moved out of the gravel over there and it's on the concrete on all four wheels, which is amazing. And hopefully everything's gonna be fixable because it's not looking good over here. And I also noticed there's a freaking fat buckle over there. I don't know what's going on. We'll have to figure that out. The master over there, he's gonna get us right. Wow, this thing sounds freaking good, bro. Alright, guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.